I'm glad that you are here. Today I want to talk about what are the benefits in redemption periods. But before you do that, don't forget to click the link. I am offering not only a free checklist of an overage, but a free ebook of some of the basic things that you would need to know about tax deeds. So go ahead and click the link below if you just want a free guide. It's really basic. It doesn't go into detail, but it just gives you an idea if you're new to the channel and you're new to tax deed investing. It kind of like gives you the basics on investing in tax deeds. And I also have a checklist for overages. So don't forget to click the link and get your free checklist or your free tax deed ebook, okay? But let me get back to the subject. So today I want to talk about the benefits of redemption periods. So in every state, when you're going to the tax deed auction, and I'm going to quote, tax deed auction, okay? Because there are different strategies where you can buy tax deeds without going to auction, but just for the sake of this video, I'm only talking about tax deed auctions. And so in different states, as you guys know, my favorite state, why I am here in Texas, is because I love the return you get on your redemption period, which is 25%. There are other states where they don't have redemption periods, like Idaho, right? There is no redemption periods. California has a redemption period. Atlanta has a redemption period. Oklahoma has a redemption period. And I'm only naming states that I personally have purchased tax deeds in. So it just all depends on the state that you're in. For example, as you guys know, I did Oklahoma earlier this year, and the owner actually has the opportunity, even up till the day of the auction, even if I bought that property, if they were to pay that day, they would just automatically give me my money back. So I'm saying that all to say that depending upon what state that you decide to, once again, go to the auction, because I don't want you to get confused with if you're buying like land for sales or over the counters, there are no redemption periods for those. But if you're going to the auction, oftentimes in various states, they have redemption periods where the owner can come back and get their taxes. But the benefit for you as the investor is that you get a return on your money, you know, within that time frame. So I'm just going to talk about Texas just for the sake of this video and talk about the benefit of, you know, buying a tax deed in a redeemable state. So I just like to use this as a basic, you know, everybody has a bank account, right? We don't even earn 1% return on our money in a year, right? But if you were to take that same money from your bank account and invest in a tax deed that you believe that would be highly redeemable, meaning that the owner would come back, you could get 25% return on your money within 6 months, because in Texas, the redeemable period is 6 months. So there's also some other intricate details. I don't know every state that has homestead, but in Texas, if a property is homesteaded, the investor has to wait 2 years. If the property is not homesteaded, then you only have to wait 6 months. So what I wanted you to get from this benefit, from this video, is the benefits of redemption periods, meaning the benefit to you as a tax deed investor is that you could get a higher return on your money than what you're actually getting in your bank account. It just really depends on the state that you're investing. I know Atlanta's 18%, Texas is 25%. I don't know what California is. And then Idaho doesn't even have a redemption period. So that they're what you call a straight tax deed. So as soon as you get it, there's no redemption. So there's different little intricacies that you need to know before buying a tax deed. And that's one of them, is knowing what the redemption period is. Because if you know what the redemption period is, that's why I feel like it's a win-win situation. Because if you buy a really good tax deed, right, and it's in a high interest redeemable state with not long terms, it's a win-win for you because you put your money in an area where you're going to get a return higher than your bank account. So that just concludes this video. I just wanted to talk about the benefits of redemption periods.